Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Rednote not sending code problem. Now here in my case, when I go and open the Rednote application, when I go and log in using my phone number, they do not give me an OTP in order to log in using my account. So what you should actually do in this case? In this case, there are multiple things that you can actually try. The first thing is to simply try and log in using another method by going back, then click on another login method, then choose Facebook, Google, or even Apple. But here in my case, because I have an Android, I do not have this option yet. So I'm going to choose Google. And now here in my case, I have chosen a specific account to sign in with. So here, as you can see, I'm signed in. Now that was the first method. The second thing is to go and check your internet connection. So make sure that you are using a stable internet. If you are using your Wi-Fi, try to use your mobile data, then try to enter your phone number again and check if you will send the OTP or not. Another thing that you can try is to simply check the network connection of this phone number. So here in my case, on the top right corner, beside the Wi-Fi, I have two SIMs in this phone. One of them has only 3 out of 5 for the network power connection. And this might also be a problem if you are in an area that has no network, you cannot actually get the code. Now we need to know that this is also necessary if you want to comment on Rednote. Let's say that I will watch this video. Now when I click on comment, you need to register your account by using your mobile number. So here, as you can see, they'll ask me to enter the phone number. If you want to search for your country in the phone number, when you click on this icon right here, you will find out that all are written in Chinese. So here you will have to search for your country phone number code by searching for the number itself. After that, you can simply enter the phone number and click on get code. If you still have the problem, you can simply try to uninstall the application, then reinstall it again. You can also try to go to settings and go to apps, then go to manage apps and search for Rednote application. Once you search for it, just click on it, then go to storage, click on clear data, then click on clear cache or click on clear all data, and you can try again. Another thing that you can actually do, and lastly, is to simply try to restart your phone, then try again and see if the issue is fixed or not. And that's all for today. This is how you can actually solve your problem. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.